Hi friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's learn how to make banana appam recipe. These sweet tasting appam or paniyaram are made with ripe bananas, rice flour and jaggery. This easy sweet dish is made in Appe pan. This evening snack can be even shallow fried or deep fried. First, let's take 1 cup of rice and wash it properly. You can even use rice flour to prepare appe. Drain all the water and make a coarse paste. Now let's add 3 ripened bananas. Grind well to make smooth paste. Check the consistency. It should not be too smooth. It should be slightly coarse or thick paste. Now let's transfer this paste into a mixing bowl. Now let's add 1/4 cup of jaggery. If you don't have liquid jaggery, then you can melt 1/4 cup of solid jaggery in half cup of water, strain and add it. Mix it well. Now let's add a pinch of salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add few finely chopped coconut pieces. Mix everything well. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. Mix it well again. Check the consistency. The batter should be thick. Now let's heat an appe pan. Put some ghee in each block. Now pour the batter using a spoon. Mix the batter well before pouring. Pour some ghee on top of it. Reduce the flame and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, let's flip the appe. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes till it is cooked well. Easy and delicious snack banana appe is ready to serve now. This paniyaram is very easy to make and it's a very healthy snack option. Please do try this easy recipe and let us know your comments. If you liked this video, please give us a like, share your comments and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.